my channel. So today is Christmas 2021, decorate with me. I could not wait to post this video because last year I missed Christmas because I had my baby. So this year I was like, I'm going all in. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get in.
I'm going to start off by lighting a candle just so I can get in the Christmas spirit. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because on this channel there's always way more fun to come. Plus, it also really helps the channel. This decorate with me took me multiple days to complete, which is why you see different changes in my appearance.
I've been waiting all year for my Christmas gifts, making a list. Shiny, wrapped up in a bow, something just for me. Baby, you're my wish. What my heart is longing for now, what I really want to see, what I really want underneath my Christmas tree. Getting caught up in the spirit, knowing that it's coming soon. Pretty red and green tinsel all around the room. Singing the old carols by candlelight, roasting chestnuts on the open fire. Every little thing with you just feels right, so right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Soon now, you won't be the one I'm waiting on when Santa comes. Seeing visions of Tiffany boxes, blue and turtle doves, kissing on a gas lamp sidewalk underneath the starry sky, walking down the Royal Mile with your hand in mine, feeling like it's gonna happen, that my wish is coming true. I know that I'll be spending Valentine's with you, singing the old carols by candlelight, roasting chestnuts on the open fire. Every little thing with you just feels right, so right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night, yeah. I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve. Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Yeah, I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night, yeah. You can see the sparkle in my eye, with the love all around, it feels so right. And I will take this opportunity to share you. There's no way that I could ever repay you, 'cause I am surrounded by all the people I love. There's no reason to cry, 'cause I know that you will hold us. Oh, I feel you this Christmas. I feel you, babe.
I can feel the presence all around me. If love was made of water, I'd be drowning. I'm grateful that I'm here and that you found me. The way you showing love is astounding. Keep this moment, hit record with the repeat on it. Keep it on, gotta keep it flowing. It's silent, but the love's outspoken, yeah. yeah, the love's potent. Never wanna leave. So good that it's hard to believe. Moments like this got me feeling right. I can feel the sun even in the night.
'Cause I am surrounded by all the people I love. There's no reason to cry, 'cause I know that you will hold us. Oh, I feel you this Christmas. I feel you, hey. And I will never take for granted the way you took my hand and led me along the path where I should be. So I put you first. You tell me that's what you're worth. I know nothing compares to your ways. So for that I'll trust and obey. Yeah, yeah. Your love is so ample in my life, and I know this because I am surrounded by all the people I love. There's no reason to cry, 'cause I know that you will hold us. Oh, I feel you this Christmas. I feel you, hey. Feel you this Christmas. I feel you, hey.
Friends and family, we need family, we need Christmas. It brings us home for the holidays. It brings us home for the holidays. It brings us.
I ain't worried about the things I gotta do. All I want, you know, is how I love you. Oh, oh. Spending time with family and the friends, yeah. Keeping love together till the end, yeah. 'Cause I ain't worried about the days of the year. All I wanna do is stay right here, yeah. Playing and laughing together. We got no worries, no never. Not entertaining none of the games. We keep it moving 'cause we have changed. Jesus is dying, living again. We celebrate forever, new end.
Friends and family, we need family, we need Christmas. It brings us for the holidays.
Leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys decorate your family tree. Because my 3-year-old wants to put things at the bottom and we don't really have much organization when it comes to the family tree. So do you guys organize it, or do you just let your kids put ornaments on different levels that they can reach?
When I'm feeling down, it's my remedy. Yeah, we dealing with no negative energy. We moving as one, that's synergy. And this where I belong, it was meant to be. I just wanna stay here like infinity. Wake up in the morning, thanks to the Lord where my joy is. I can feel the love all around me. Look how far we've come, it's astounding. And we can't forget the reason. We can only love because of Jesus. Family, gather around the tree. Hope it never ends, I don't wanna leave. Friends and family, we need family, we need Christmas. It brings us for the holidays. 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 It brings us.
hope this is getting you guys in the Christmas spirit. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. You can see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your family round, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming our way.
This wouldn't be complete unless my husband hung the mistletoe.
Time of year the reindeer fly. You can't see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your friends around, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming our way.
Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas.
This picture frame really meant a lot to me. My baby brother passed away, so it was a perfect way to add him to the Christmas spirit still.
Little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only comes this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be misled. Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his owls clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the ride, all around sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws.
As I said before, last year I missed Christmas because I was in the hospital because I had my baby. This outfit was the first outfit she ever wore.
Spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. Oh, can we give it one more time?
Merry Christmas!
Guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope it got you in the Christmas spirit. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe.